It includes the cash purchase as well as the credit purchase. How much cash purchase gone? 23,000. What's the difference? 97,000 is the credit purchase. We pay the salary of 5,000. We paid the office expense of 3,000. The balance figure left over is 83,000. That is the closing cash. Then you prepare the cash account to find out the closing balance. You prepare a statement of affairs to find out the opening capital. Then you prepare a trading account, profit and loss account, and a balance sheet. Hello, my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand Advanced Financial Accounting, second semester, Unit 1, Session 4 of BCom, in favor of accounts from incomplete records. I told in the last session also, what is incomplete record? It is nothing but a single entry. Now, we are solving the problem, conversion of single entry to double entry. What are the accounts to be prepared? Generally, we have to prepare debtor account, creditor account, bill receivable account, bill payable account, a statement of affairs to find out the capital, and cash account to find out the closing cash. So what are the accounts to be prepared? One, debtor account to find out the credit sale, creditor account to find out the credit purchase, a statement of affairs to find out the opening capital, a cash account to find out the closing cash. Then we have to prepare a trading account, profit and loss account, and a balance sheet. We'll move on to problem now. From the following information relating to a trader who keeps his book, single entry system, prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st December 1995 and a balance sheet on that date. So they have given the problem 1/1/95, 31st December 95. Your opening balance is given. Debtor is missing means you have to prepare the debtor account. Creditor is missing. You have to prepare the creditor account. Cash, closing cash is missing. You have to prepare the closing cash. Then receipt from debtor, debit side of debtor account, paid to creditor account. Total sale including the cash sale 38,000. What's your total sale? 2,25,000. Sales 2,25,000 minus cash sale total sales here including cash here receipt from debtor paid to creditor total sale 2,25,000. What's your cash sale? Is 38,000. Deduct 30 here, 7, 1,87,000 credit sales. So same thing goes to purchases. Total purchase 1,20,000, deduct 23,000, remaining is credit purchases. Then sales return, this will come in the debtor account. Purchase account will come in creditor account. Drawings in the cash book and deduct from the capital. Bad debt, then it will come debtor account credit side and prepaid account debit entry. Other discount allowed, debtor account, discount received, creditor account, rent paid, cash account credit side, paid account debit side, wages, cash account credit side, trading account debit side, trade expenses, cash account credit side, profit and loss account debit side, salary, cash account credit side, P&L account debit side, office expenses, cash account credit side, P&L account debit side, outstanding salary should be added, prepaid rent should be deducted, furniture will be deducted by 10%. So here your opening debtor is missing. So we have to go with the debtor account. To balance brought down, this figure is not there. By cash, receipt from debtor is there. By discount allowed, 3,000. By bad debt, by return inward means sales return, 2,000. Closing debtor, they have 55,000. Your credit sale, I told you, out of the total sale, 1,87,000. So if we add the figure, 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 11, 16, 8 plus 3. So 2,36,000 is the total. Out of 2,36,000, 1,87,000 gone. 2,36,000 minus 1,87,000 is equal to 49,000 is the difference. This is your opening balance. So one question has been answered here. Your opening debtor here, creditor. This has been answered here. Okay. So now total creditors account by balance brought down 18,000. By credit purchases 97,000. Your total purchases 1,20,000. Total purchases total purchase 1,20,000 minus cash purchases 23,000. Difference is 97,000. Credit purchases. How it will be? Your total purchase is 1,20,000, which includes the cash purchase of 23,000. Difference is 97,000. When you say purchases, it includes the cash purchase as well as the credit purchase. How much cash purchase gone? 23,000. What's the difference? 97,000 is the credit purchases. Same thing we have done. Total creditor by balance brought down 18,000. By credit purchases 97,000. Totally 1,15,000. Out of that, how much cash paid? 90,000. How much discount received? 2,500. What is your purchase written outward is 1,500. The difference figure is 21,000. This is your closing creditor. Hope you understand. Then you have to prepare a statement of affairs to find out the opening capital. They have given opening furniture 8,000. Then we have calculated this figure from the debtor account. This is from debtor account 49,000. Stock they have given. Cash, the opening cash they have given. Then your creditor they have given. Whatever the difference comes, that is the opening capital. So this is 0, 8 plus 9, 17, 19, 23. 2 plus 4, 6, 7, 9. 93,000. Out of 93,000, your creditor has gone. What's the difference figure? 75,000 is your opening capital. Now, we move on to cash account. To find out the closing cash, we started with the opening balance of 24,000. How much received from the debtor? 1,75,000. What's your cash sale? 38,000. So how much money you have got? 2,37,000. So cash account based on real account principle, debit what comes in credit, what goes principal. What's the principal? Debit what comes in credit, what goes. So we receive totally how much? 2,37,000. Out of that, we pay the creditor 90,000. We pay the purchases all in cash transaction 23,000. We draw the money 20,000. We pay the rent 8,000. We pay the wages 3,000. We pay the trade expenses 2,000. We pay the salary of 5,000. We pay the office expense of 3,000. The balance figure left over is 83,000. That is the closing cash. How it will be? You have got a balance of 2,37,000. Out of that, we pay the creditor. We paid for purchases. Drawing is there. Rent paid. Wages paid, trade expenses paid, salary paid, office expense paid, balance carried down is 83,000. Then we have to prepare a trading and profit and loss account. We start with the opening stock of 12,000. Then we have to purchase of 1,20,000. Out of purchase return is 1,500. It becomes 1,18,500. Your wages is 3,000. Sales return is 2,000. So when you include the sale means a cash sale as well as the credit sale. 2,23,000. Closing stock 10,500. If you add 2,33,500, difference is 1 lakh. Gross profit carried down. Brought down this figure. By gross profit brought down 1 lakh. by discount received 2,500, bad debt is 1,000, discount allowed is 3,000, rent 8,000 minus prepaid 800 becomes 7,200, trade expenses is 2,000, office expense is 3,000, salary 5,000, add outstanding salary 500, it becomes 5,500. Depreciation on furniture, he says, what's the furniture value? Come back here. Furniture 8,000, 8,000. Your depreciation for on 8,000, 10% means 800. This is 8,000 into 10 by 100. Furniture 8,000. 10%, 800. Difference is 80,000. It's a net profit gone to the balance sheet. Come back to balance sheet. Your closing cash as per the cash book is 83,000. Your closing stock is 10,500. Debtor is 55,000. Furniture is 8,000. Depreciation is 800 gone. It is 7,200. Your prepaid rent is 800. So 1,56,500. Creditor is 21,000, 75,000, add net profit 80,000, minus drawing 20,000, it becomes 1,35,000. Outstanding salary to pay is 500, 500, 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 3, 5, 1. So it will tally for 1,56,500. So once you know that what are the missing figures are there, you calculate. If the debtor, closing debtor is there, prepare the debtor account. If the opening creditor or closing creditor is not there, prepare creditor account. Then you prepare the cash account to find out the closing balance. You prepare a statement of affairs to find out the opening capital. Then you prepare a trading account, profit and loss account, and a balance sheet. Very, very easy, but you must learn the format. You have to prepare easy. 15 marks question is compulsory, very easy, but you learn debtor account, creditor account, which is the compulsory. How it start? 2 balance brought down opening debtor, 2 credit sale, buy cash receipt from debtor, buy bank check receipt from debtor, buy BR receipt from debtor, buy discount allowed, buy sales return, by bad date, by allowance to debtor, whatever the difference comes is the closing debtor. How it will be? 2 balance brought down opening debtor, 2 credit sale, 2 BR dishonored, 2 creditor endorsed to creditor dishonored. Here come back here. By cash receipt from debtor, by bank check receipt from debtor, by BR receipt from debtor, by discount allowed, by bad date, by sales return, by allowance to debtor, whatever the difference comes, that's a closing debtor. Every day you write 2 or 3 times in the book and learn the format of debtor and creditor account. That will come for 10 marks also. That become easy for your solving the problem. So better to learn debtor account, better to learn creditor account. Definitely it will help you. Debtor account, creditor account definitely will help you. That will come for 10 marks. If you learn that, it will help for 15 marks. Hope you understand. Better to learn. You are already solving the 4th problem. We'll have some more problem in next class. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.